Welcome to my channel, Dubai Healthcare Consultancy.
Today our quiz topic is Psychiatric or Mental Health Nursing MCQs. Practice Test 1. Question 1. A patient with schizophrenia is experiencing auditory hallucinations. Which nursing intervention is most appropriate? Option A. Agree with the voices to build trust. Option B. Encourage the patient to ignore the voices. Option C. Acknowledge the experience and focus on reality. Option D. Tell the patient the voices are imaginary. Correct answer. Option C. Acknowledge the experience and focus on reality. Question 2. Which symptom is considered a negative symptom of schizophrenia? Option A. Hallucinations. Option B. Delusions. Option C. Disorganized speech. Option D. Affective flattening. Correct answer. Option D. Affective flattening. Question 3. A patient with major depressive disorder is most at risk for suicide during which phase? Option A. At the peak of depression. Option B. When energy begins to return. Option C. During long-term remission. Option D. When appetite improves. Correct answer. Option B. When energy begins to return. Question 4. Which neurotransmitter is most commonly associated with depression? Option A. Serotonin. Option B. Dopamine. Option C. Acetylcholine. Option D. GABA. Correct answer. Option A. Serotonin. Question 5. A patient with bipolar disorder is currently in a manic phase. Which behavior is most characteristic? Option A. Social withdrawal. Option B. Decreased need for sleep. Option C. Psychomotor retardation. Option D. Feelings of worthlessness. Correct answer. Option B. Decreased need for sleep. Question 6. Which medication is commonly used as a mood stabilizer in bipolar disorder? Option A. Fluoxetine. Option B. Haloperidol. Option C. Lithium. Option D. Diazepam. Correct answer. Option C. Lithium. Question 7. A patient with generalized anxiety disorder, GAD, is most likely to exhibit which symptom? Option A. Sudden panic attacks. Option B. Obsessive thoughts. Option C. Flashbacks. Option D. Chronic excessive worry. Correct answer. Option D. Chronic excessive worry. Question 8. Which nursing intervention is most appropriate during a panic attack? Option A. Leave the patient alone. Option B. Encourage deep, slow breathing. Option C. Ask the patient to explain the fear. Option D. Offer detailed reassurance. Correct answer. Option B. Encourage deep, slow breathing. Question 9. Obsessive-compulsive disorder, OCD, is characterized by Option A. Persistent intrusive thoughts and rituals. Option B. Sudden episodes of intense fear. Option C. Fear of social situations. Option D. Dissociative episodes. Correct answer. Option A. Persistent intrusive thoughts and rituals. Question 10. Which disorder is most associated with fear of social embarrassment? Option A, panic disorder. Option B, social anxiety disorder. Option C, generalized anxiety disorder. Option D, OCD. Correct answer, option B, social anxiety disorder. Question 11. A patient with post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, may experience Option A, delusions of grandeur. Option B, flight of ideas. Option C, flashbacks and nightmares. Option D, compulsive behaviors. Correct answer, option C, flashbacks and nightmares. Question 12. Which nursing priority is most important for a patient with PTSD? Option A, encouraging group therapy immediately. Option B, ensuring patient safety. Option C, confronting traumatic memories. Option D, limiting family involvement. Correct answer, option B, ensuring patient safety. Question 13. Which disorder is characterized by alternating periods of memory loss and identity disturbance? Option A, schizophrenia. Option B, somatic symptom disorder. Option C, bipolar disorder. Option D, dissociative identity disorder. Correct answer, option D, dissociative identity disorder. Question 14. A patient frequently reports physical symptoms without an identifiable medical cause. This suggests Option A, factitious disorder. Option B, illness anxiety disorder. Option C, somatic symptom disorder. Option D, conversion disorder. Correct answer, option C, somatic symptom disorder. Question 15. Which symptom is commonly seen in anorexia nervosa? Option A, binge eating. Option B, distorted body image. Option C, excessive sleep. Option D, increased appetite. Correct answer, option B, distorted body image.
If you find these MCQs helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.
Question 16. Bulimia nervosa is best characterized by Option A, severe food restriction. Option B, obesity. Option C, binge eating followed by purging. Option D, loss of appetite. Correct answer, option C, binge eating followed by purging. Question 17. A patient with borderline personality disorder is most likely to exhibit Option A, lack of empathy. Option B, emotional instability. Option C, excessive perfectionism. Option D, social withdrawal. Correct answer, option B, emotional instability. Question 18. Which personality disorder is associated with disregard for the rights of others? Option A, antisocial personality disorder. Option B, avoidant personality disorder. Option C, dependent personality disorder. Option D, obsessive-compulsive personality disorder. Correct answer, option A, antisocial personality disorder. Question 19. Which behavior is most typical of dementia? Option A, sudden mood swings. Option B, progressive memory loss. Option C, hallucinations. Option D, delusions. Correct answer, option B, progressive memory loss. Question 20. The most common cause of dementia is option A, Parkinson's disease. Option B, vascular disease. Option C, Alzheimer's disease. Option D, Huntington's disease. Correct answer, option C, Alzheimer's disease. Question 21. Delirium differs from dementia because delirium. Option A. Has an acute onset. Option B. Develops slowly. Option C. Is irreversible. Option D. Has no identifiable cause. Correct answer, option A, has an acute onset. Question 22. Which substance is most commonly associated with withdrawal seizures? Option A, cocaine. Option B, cannabis. Option C, alcohol. Option D, nicotine. Correct answer, option C, alcohol. Question 23. A patient with alcohol dependence is at risk for which deficiency? Option A, vitamin C. Option B, vitamin B1, thiamine. Option C, vitamin D. Option D, vitamin K. Correct answer, option B, vitamin B1, thiamine. Question 24. Which symptom is common in opioid withdrawal? Option A, respiratory depression. Option B, pinpoint pupils. Option C, muscle aches. Option D, coma. Correct answer, option C, muscle aches. Question 25. A patient with attention deficit/hyperactivity disorder, ADHD, typically shows option A, hallucinations. Option B, inattention and impulsivity. Option C, memory loss. Option D, social withdrawal. Correct answer, option B, inattention and impulsivity. Question 26. Autism spectrum disorder is primarily characterized by option A, mood swings. Option B, delayed motor development. Option C, impaired social interaction. Option D, aggressive behavior. Correct answer, option C, impaired social interaction. Question 27. Which defense mechanism involves attributing one's own feelings to others? Option A, denial. Option B, projection. Option C, regression. Option D, sublimation. Correct answer, option B, projection. Question 28. Which antipsychotic medication has a higher risk of extrapyramidal side effects? Option A, clozapine. Option B, olanzapine. Option C, risperidone. Option D, haloperidol. Correct answer, option D, haloperidol. Question 29. The primary goal of therapeutic communication in psychiatric nursing is to option A, give advice. Option B, change patient behavior quickly. Option C, establish trust and understanding. Option D, collect medical history. Correct answer, option C, establish trust and understanding. Question 30. Which intervention is most appropriate for a suicidal patient? Option A, maintain close observation. Option B, contract for safety only. Option C, encourage independence. Option D, avoid discussing suicide. Correct answer, Option A, maintain close observation. Thank you for watching the Psychiatric or Mental Health Nursing MCQs, Practice Test 1. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more practice tests. If you scored less than 30, please watch this video again. Thanks.